Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi o anong oras sa panonood ng video ito. Welcome sa lahat ng mga Matuto lovers at salamat sa inyong panonood sa ating YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Isang dapat nating pagyabungin, pahalagahan at ingatan. Ngayong araw ay ating pag-aralan ito pong midpoint of a line segment. Yung ating isang video ay pinag-aralan natin is yung division of the line segment. Ngayon naman, single po ito, yung point na to ay nasa gitna talaga ng line. Okay? So again, we have the line segment is a part of a line between two endpoints. So this we have the line segment A and B. Yung A and B, yun po yung endpoints. Tapos mayroong point A na nasa gitna. Okay, a line segment midpoint E is the point that lies precisely midway between two other points. So the straight line segment distance from each the A terminal equal. So dito, yung distance from A to E and the distance from E to B ay equal. So considering you have the 2 points here, A and B, where A ang ating x sub 1, y sub 1, tanda natin, para mas madali, yung galing sa left side, papuntang right po ang ating counting. So, ang x sub 1, y sub 1 from the left side, tapos x sub 2, y sub 2 yun po sa right side. No? Tapos, mayroong point here, yung ating point P na nasa gitna ng dalawang point AB. So, yun yung xy natin. So, to find x, yung coordinate ng point P ay x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. Tapos, to find y, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Example 1. Find the coordinates of point P, which is the midpoint of point A, negative 8, 6, and B, 7, 3. So, ang x sub 1 negative 8, y sub 1 ay 6, x sub 2 ay 7, y sub 2 ay 3. Okay? So, to find x, so negative 8 plus 7 over 2. So, that is negative 1 over 2 equals negative 0.5. To find y, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2, and that is 6 plus 3 over 2. So, that is 9 over 2 equals 4.50. Okay? So, ang ating point P located at x, y is located at negative 0.50, 0.5, 4.50 o 4.5. Okay? So, yun po yung ating answer. Example 2. Point B, negative 1, negative 1 is located at the center of the line segment with point A, negative 7, 6, and a point C, x sub 2, y sub 2. What is the coordinate of the endpoint C? Okay. Ang given, point A, negative 7, 6. So, ang x sub 1 ay negative 7, y sub 1, negative 6. Ang point B, ito yung midpoint, no? So, ang x ay negative 1, ang y ay negative 1. So, using the formula, okay, so you have now that one. Negative 1 equals negative 7 plus x sub 2 over 2. Okay, multiply to both sides. So, nagiging negative 2 equals negative 7 plus x sub 2. Yung hindi kasama kay x sub 2, ilipat sa kabilang side. So, x sub 2 equals negative 2 plus 7 equals 5. So, ang x sub 2 ay 5. So, y sub 2 naman, okay, the same process gagawin natin. So, negative 1, yun yung y, equals 6 plus y sub 2 over 2. Okay. So, that is multiplied to both sides. So, magiging negative 2 equals 6 plus y sub 2. Tapos, ang ating y sub 2 now ay negative 2 minus 6 equals negative 8. So, ang C natin located at x sub 2, y sub 2 is equals to 5, negative 8. Number 3. The segment from point A, negative 10, negative 11 to point B, 14, 21 is divided into two parts. As shown in the graph, what is the coordinate of point P? Okay. So, ang x sub 1 negative 10, y sub 1 negative 11, x sub 2 14, y sub 2 ay 21. Yan. So, ang x natin ay negative 14 plus 14, ang x sub 2 over 2. So, that is 4 over 2 and that is 2. Ang y natin, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 equals negative 11 plus 21 over 2. So, that is 10 over 2 and that is 5. So, ang ating point E located at yung point P natin located at x, y equals 2, 5. So, this is your activity to be answered. Practice lang para matuto. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. And I hope you learn from this video. Pwede nyo i-share, i-like, i-subscribe. No? At huwag kalimutan, pinutin ang ating bell button para sa mga notifications na another video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless sa inyong lahat.